Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a quick fried rice, okay? What you need is a package of secret sauce, okay? Ketchup. Yeah, this is a package of ketchup. Okay, and depending on how much you eat, I have a bowl of rice here. And then what you need is an egg. So let's do it. Here I have some vegetable oils in there already. Just heat it up and crack your head. Crack the eggs. Okay. Like so. What you need is just stir it up. Just mix it around like you can make scrambled eggs. Okay. After a couple minutes, maybe 15 seconds. I wouldn't say a couple minutes, maybe about 15 seconds. And then now what you need to do now is just dump the rice in there. Mix it all together. So yeah, if you got leftover rice, don't throw it away. Just make great fried rice. Yeah, I didn't put a lot of oil in there because I don't, I'm trying to stay healthy, so don't need to put a lot of oil in there. And as far as the heat, just keep it low to medium, and you can adjust it to see how. You don't want your rice to be really dry, so just keep it medium low. And mix that all together. And I'll show you a trick. And then what you need now is just a pinch of salt. Well, what I like to use is a little, teaspoon of fish sauce. Depending on how much depending on how salty you want your food, and how salty you are eating, but I wouldn't recommend putting a lot of salt nowadays. Also, what you need is some garlic powder, which you can get at Costco. Sprinkle them on, and just mix them all together. See how they all come in together. This is a quick meal that you can do it anywhere. You can do it at college campus, if you're in college kid. A 10 minutes meal, even less than that. Okay. Now there's a secret ingredient. It's the ketchup. Okay, if you want the color to be really nice and beautiful, that's what they use. Okay. So there you go, guys. See, now you see the color change. I'm not sure you can see, but I will tape it for you. See, the colors all changed and very nice color. You see that?
Can I see? Can I see?
See that? And now we'll put them in the bowl for you and show you exactly what they look like. Okay? And oh my God, it smells excellent too. You see that? See that? Now it's turned kind of pinkish reddish color, like fried rice. Okay, that's it, guys. It's a quick meal, less than 15 minutes or so. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.